Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. An administrator is tasked with deploying a VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) operations for logs appliance into vSphere Foundation. After downloading over, which component does the administrator use to deploy the file? Option A. VCF Fleet Management. Option B. vSphere Client. Option C. VCF Operations. Option D. VCF Automation. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, vSphere Client. Question 2. An administrator needs to ensure that only specific users can manage the virtual machines (VM) in a specific VMware vCenter folder. Which 3 steps are required to accomplish this? Choose 3. Option A. Add the identity source to vCenter. Option B. Create a data store cluster. Option C. Apply the role to the specific vCenter folder. Option D. Create a new role in vCenter with VM management permissions. Option E. Assign the new role to the appropriate users, groups. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Add the identity source to vCenter. Option C. Apply the role to the specific vCenter folder. Option D. Create a new role in vCenter with VM management permissions. Option E. Assign the new role to the appropriate users, groups. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.